Euphonics is the world's leading supplier of digital-controlled audio mixing systems. Located in the heart of Silicon Valley, Euphonics has pioneered the move from analog to digital mixing systems with broadcast installations throughout the world, at both the network and local level. Euphonics has sales and support offices in Los Angeles, New York, London, and Tokyo, and prides itself on unrivaled customer support. Euphonics offers 3 different broadcast audio mixing systems: MaxAir, System 5B, and the System 5BP. All use the same DSP core, digital router, and modular Euphonics I/O system. They all have built-in redundancy and share much of the same control surface software. MaxAir, with 4 knobs per strip and a central touch screen, is a more compact system for standard on-air applications, where space and budget are major factors. System 5 is Euphonics' flagship no-compromise system, aimed at more complex on-air applications, featuring 8 knobs per strip and TFT displays at the top of each module. The System 5B model is designed for on-air and live-to-tape applications. The System 5BP also includes dynamic mix automation for those on-air facilities that require audio post functionality in addition to live capability. Why are so many broadcasters looking at System 5 for their on-air audio solution? Specifically designed for audio broadcast applications, System 5 is an all-digital console with a modular I/O system that can be tailored to any combination of analog and digital sources. If you are making the transition to digital, then you need to check out what System 5 has to offer. System 5 uses standard broadcast connections including balanced XLR analog and 75-ohm coax AES EBU. Internally, the system interconnects with AES-10 MADI that can carry up to 56 digital sources down a single coax that can be extended over long distances using fiber. A typical 6-module System 5 frame is only 80 inches wide and 41 inches deep, small enough to fit in practically any audio control room. Modules may be custom mounted if necessary, reducing the width by 8 inches. Larger frames are available including curved and angled options that support up to 128 channel strips. The only connections to the surface are power and Ethernet, as all audio is handled in the DSP core. The console remains cool and uncluttered by cabling and can be located remotely from the DSP core and converters. Despite the compact size of the surface, System 5B includes 96 full-featured channels of audio processing, mix buses, group buses used for clean feeds, IFBs or recorder buses, aux sends, plus individual N-1 mixed-minus outputs, enough for practically any application. The System 5BP can support over 300 channels with different combinations of buses to match the application. With System 5, it is as easy to mix in 5.1 as it is to mix in stereo. The bus structure allows for simultaneous stereo and surround outputs. Years of experience in the film world allows Euphonics to include powerful surround features not found on other systems, with an extremely simple user interface. System 5 is designed for tight integration with Dolby E products, making it much easier for the engineer to manage operation in surround. Euphonics has a well-earned reputation for the highest quality sound processing and mixing algorithms, with an uncompromised approach to design. You will notice the difference. All console settings, including PatchNet, the digital patching system, can be saved for later recall, making it very easy to move quickly between shows. The audio console is no longer a constraint to broadcasting multiple shows from a single studio, with fast turnaround. Sound for a show can be refined over time, resulting in a higher quality product. The way that sources are positioned on the console surface can be saved as layouts. Different layouts can be recalled during the setup for a show, or even during a show at the touch of a button. Layouts do not change parameters, just the location of sources on the surface. Layouts are the key to effectively managing large numbers of inputs and bringing critical sources within easy reach of the sweet spot. Studio Hub, Euphonics audio router, can be integrated with the Thomson's VM3000 Jupiter-compatible facility routers, providing access to most console inputs and outputs throughout the station. In many cases, this reduces the cost of installation as it saves doubling up on I/O and audio levels in the main router. The System 5 patching system called PatchNet also controls the Studio Hub. System 5 has been designed to make the job of mixing a fast-paced production as straightforward as possible. Everything the engineer needs is within reach. Equally important is the fact that System 5 is easy to learn, as many of the operations mirror analog methods. The console screens greatly simplify the mixing process and give the engineer valuable feedback. With over 200 broadcast installations, Euphonics understands the need for reliability and has built in many standard features to secure on-air operation, including redundant dual mains power supplies, automatic changeover of DSP core in the event of failure, extensive software diagnostics, and a distributed processing system that is resistant to failure. All hardware is built to withstand the rigors of on-air and remote operations with an uncompromised approach to quality. With hundreds of satisfied customers, Euphonics has a well-earned reputation for first-class service and support on a personal level that is second to none. We will do whatever it takes to get you on air and keep you on air. System 5 is priced to fit the budgets of today's broadcast projects without compromising on quality and performance. Quite simply, System 5 delivers all the features you need for the digital transition at a price that is affordable.